In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Discord to Carrd. This straightforward guide will help you create a seamless connection between your Carrd website and your Discord server, making it easy for your audience to join your community with just one click. Let's dive into the steps, and I'll walk you through the process in detail. First, you'll want to open the Carrd editor. Once you're in, locate and click on the plus sign. This is where you'll add new elements to your website. From the options presented, select button, or if you're aiming for a visual touch that's a bit more engaging, you might want to choose icon and then select a Discord logo. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for directing your visitors to your Discord community. Next, it's time to set the label for your button or icon. A straightforward label like "Join our Discord" ensures clarity for your users. Remember, clarity is essential here. You want your visitors to immediately understand the purpose of the button without any ambiguity. Now comes the step where we'll need your Discord server invite link. In the URL field of the button or icon settings, paste this invite link. This link is the bridge between your Carrd site and your Discord server. It's what makes the whole connection possible. If you'd like the link to open in a new tab, which is often a good idea if you want to keep people on your site while they visit your Discord, add on blank at the end of the URL. This little trick will ensure that your Carrd site remains open while they explore your Discord server. After these configurations, click on Done to finalize your button or icon setup. You're almost there, but don't forget to save your changes. Head to the top right corner, click on the save icon and choose publish to a .carrd.co URL from the menu options. As you prepare to publish your changes, you'll need to enter a name for your URL. Make it relevant and easy to remember, perhaps something indicative of your brand or community theme. Once you've named your URL, it's time to make everything live. Click on Publish Changes. This action takes everything you've set up and makes it accessible to the public via the web address you've just defined. With the site now live, the next step is to verify. Click View Site to check how everything looks from a visitor's perspective. This step is vital to ensure that your design looks as expected and that all elements function correctly. Finally, make sure you test your link by clicking on the button or icon. This final check confirms that it's effectively linking to your Discord server, opening in a new tab if you added the word blank part, and providing seamless access for users wanting to join your community. And that's it, you have successfully linked Discord to your Carrd website. This method provides improved accessibility and a professional touch to your online presence.